We are now in the car headed to Santa's Wonderland.
Hold on, let me get the crust. Let me get the crust out of my eyes. I was asleep, y'all. I was sleeping.
He is extra. But yeah, we just headed to Santa's Wonderland from our hotel room. It's now 5:55 p.m. But it looks like it's so much darker, and it's really. I mean, it feels like it's so much later, and it's not. But we headed to Santa's Wonderland now, and I'm excited to see everything. Like I don't see this every year. I'm
ready to go to the petting zoo. I want to feed the goats. Looks like my favorite part of it, and riding the hayride. Can't wait to do it. Yep.
So we are almost there, but we in traffic.
We got about 8 minutes left in traffic now. We have 14.
So we here, but we got 8 minutes to sit in this long line of traffic, and then we'll be there.
We're talking about look, free Post Oak Mall, free parking. Oh, that shit sounds far.
It is.
Y'all.
Parking at Santa's Wonderland is a lot of work.
It's a thrill.
It's annoying.
I'm trying to park for 30 minutes. That's crazy. It's only $1.25 for both of them.
All right, y'all. We just got in to Santa's Wonderland, and look at it. It's a lot of people everywhere and lights.
I want a pretzel and a beer. Yeah. We gotta get a picture right here.
Are y'all paying cash or card?
How much is it?
$5 per person.
So we got all the way to the front of the line and turned around, because usually when we come here, like every year, the animals are like roaming around and walking, and you can feed them and go up to them.
I'm gonna find the footage so we ain't gotta tell you. Usually you can roam, bro. That shit just made me so mad.
Yeah, usually like every year, it's usually a whole bunch of animals just roaming around. They come right up to you. You can feed them food and stuff. But this year, go ahead.
It's usually they give you this little cup of food, and it's a courtesy cup of food. It comes with your ticket that you pay for, like whatever you pay for the ticket, whatever. It comes with it. And then if you want to feed them more, they charge you $2 for a cup of food. Now it's $5 just to go inside, and I think that comes with the food. But the animals are in cages instead of them just be like roaming free, like where you can touch them and they up on you. It's like they're in cages now, so you gotta like touch them through the cage, and that shit ain't the same, bro. We ain't in no zoo.
It ain't the same. So I'm like, yeah.
We're going to the we're going the wrong way. We gotta go.
You want to get on this train right here?
Yeah, but
What? What you mean?
No, we gotta go get in the line.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. We gotta get in that.
Oh.
My bad. I've been drinking.
Yeah, we gotta get in the. Okay. So we need to go over here.
Hold on, I'm on this side. Okay.
Okay, so yeah. So it's not the same. We was like, and I'm mad because we stood in that long ass line waiting for them to get to the front. And we got all the way to the front, and it's
some bullshit.
Bullshit. Sad. Say hi.
What's up, y'all?
All right, I'm about to.
They gonna leave in the train?
Look at us on the train. We love this train, child.
Always on this damn train.
I think last time we was like in this little sleigh.
This is the first one. We're outside.
Yeah.
We were in the little car. But it's cool. We protect you from the outside elements.
Okay.
Let's go out there with it.
Good morning. It is the next day, and we are just now getting in the car. Checkout was around 12. It's about 11 now, and we're about to go get some food. About to go to Denny's before we make this hour-and-a-half drive back to Houston. I feel well rested today. I think I look well rested too.
Man,
how you feeling today?
I'm ready to eat.
Hungry?
Yeah, I'm ready to eat.
it's a lot warmer than it was yesterday, so that's a plus.
That's factual. That is factual. We got some sunshine today. We ain't got them crazy clouds we had.
Yeah.
It was super cloudy.
It was really cloudy yesterday. Alrighty,
Yeah.
hotel. See you next year.
Same place, different time, more money.
Okay, period. See you tomorrow or next year. Bye. Yes, so last night, I think like after Santa's Wonderland, we kind of just stopped recording because we was ready to get into bed. So what we did after Santa's Wonderland, after we finally got back in the car, we blasted the fucking heater like never before because it was so cold. My hands was freezing, my feet was freezing. I was just ready to get in bed. So we stopped at Pizza Hut, got us some pizza,
And some wings.
and some wings. The plan was to go back to the hotel room and take some shots and stuff, but I was like, So we just got our pizza and shit. Ate our pizza, we took showers.
Rubbed her feet together and she was down for the count.
Once I get in the bed and rub my feet together, baby, it's over. Okay? It's over with. So yeah, that's what all that happened last night. We had a good night's rest and now we up and about to get this day started.
Yeah.
So we went to Denny's and ate. I forgot to record. We was hungry.
We was eating. But
yeah.
in other news, we're full. We're not hungry anymore.
Okay. But yeah, so now we still in Bryan. We actually headed out now. Just got gas. Now we headed back to Houston. It's gonna take us
1 hour and 25 minutes before we reach our destination, which is picking up the doggy.
Yeah, we gotta pick up Jizzy from his doggy day camp and boarding place, and then we headed home.
So
we can go ahead and end this video here.
Yeah, and our adventurous,
this was our weekend
journey.
Yeah, of our annual trip to Santa's Wonderland, and it was fun. It was cool.
Hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making it.
So if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos.
And until next time, peace.